Hi guys, this is Connor, this is me, and we are doing a video.
I don't know what is it?
I just got on boxer shorts.
It was?
Got on I dropped the phone. We're gonna go somewhere. We're just walking around.
What?
Ah!
You.
Get it.
You idiot!
I'm not in there. Run towards me. Connor, quit being it.
I am coming.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I scared you.
Watch this.
I'm not dog.
He is evil.
Yeah, he's really
Look at this stupid dog.
Fight.
My name is Alex. Hi, guys. My name is Alex. Welcome to Jacket. Oh! Does that work? How about you hold the camera?
I will.
Okay, guys. So,
Quack.
okay, wait, did you stop the video?
I said quack.
Okay, guys. Right now, we're going to go and explore.
This lighting is horrible.
Forget it. I got ants on my feet.
Literally, this lighting is
Let me
horrible.
check.
Like when I look at you, this lighting.
Hey, let's turn over
It's
here.
like you're all white.
Is it better now?
No.
Let me do you. We're switching camera. Hey! Okay. I got my cameraman, Connor.
Yeah, it's way better.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna chuck this piece of wood.
No, it's weird.
Look.
Your shirt is green, but it looks kind of bluish.
I'm gonna hit you.
No, you ain't. I'm your cameraman. If you do that,
Come on.
you won't have to find it.
I gotta talk to my cameraman, okay, guys?
Quack.
Let me just hit the camera. He's like, oh my God, I hurt me.
You know what? All right.
Okay, guys, we're gonna throw the wood in here. Get my cameraman up.
Yo, I'm not sure if you heard that. What was that? Now what? We're done. We're not doing that.
That
Was just. We
that
said
was me. See, you want to see my Chewbacca impression?
quack.
That's his duck impression. Ah! Oh!
All right, let's go. Where are we going? to the thing.
The barrel.
The barrel.
Connor, I'm running phone with my phone.
I'm not. You better come on, huh?
Okay, let me hold the camera. You can't do it while you're on there, okay?
Alrighty. Here's the barrel.
Look at this. Snake!
What is it?
Hold the phone. So, man. Now,
He squished my.
all
he
the
squished
water,
my shoe.
all the water's out.
Alright. I swear, if there's a spider on this,
You stupid, you dumb people. Okay.
Okay, I'll go.
Keep going.
Sorry, stop.
What?
That should just stop.
Why?
Oh my God. Ow! What's that stick for?
Oh,
no! I have the spiders on me.
just,
I'm scared, bro.
okay.
If y'all didn't know, I have arachnophobia, which is a fear of spiders.
And I
I have no fear.
have a fear of heights,
Yeah.
which is worse than it. Oh my God, that's an outtake. I farted.
Now I'm going to stand on this barrel. And not Ball.
Name Jeff.
Okay. Ow, already fell. Crack, 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 Ow! That was acting. I'm actually.
I ain't caught that on camera.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Watch this, guys. I gotta go talk to the viewers.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna say. Pause. Okay.
Dogs.
Okay, go ahead and do it.
It's gonna be a prank. You're gonna push the barrel.
No, I'm not.
I see your smile.
I'm all the way over here.
Get on that car.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, just go ahead.
What was that?
What the hell?
What's that?
That ain't Zeus.
Yeah, I know that's not you.
I got you.
I'm not doing it. I'm going to this dog.
Okay, dude.